Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Sorry. So I'm really happy that you are watching this video tutorial. I'm really glad to see you here. By the way, so let's get back to the topic. Today we're gonna solve a question related to rates. Okay. Once again, we are doing the rate related problems of uh, second year of college. Okay, so in this video tutorial we're gonna solve, we'll find the by what factor will the initial rate increase if the concentration of reactants are both tripled. Okay, so we're gonna discuss this question and we're gonna sort out some of the solution of this. We are going to sort out some of the important points, some of the key factors of this question and try to solve it out. Okay, so let's solve together. So be bear with me, fellas. Okay, so at first let us read the question. So this is the chemical equation that is given here. So this reaction is first order with respect to hydrogen and second order with respect to nitrogen 2 oxide. By what factor will the initial rate increase if the concentration of hydrogen and nitrogen 2 oxide are both tripled? Well, it seems really tricky, right? But it's really easy if you think the other way around. So let me make this red pen for you to understand. Okay, so never mind. So let us first mark some of the key important information that are lurking in this information. Okay, so here the order of hydrogen here is first order, and here the nitrogen 2 oxide order is second order. Okay, with respect to nitrogen 2 oxide. Well, this will be we will need this later on. Okay, so at first let us build up the rate equation for this reaction. Since you can see that all these are in gaseous state. Okay, all these are gases, the reactants as well as the products are all gases. Well, fine. So let us build up the rate equation for this at first. So in order to find the relationship, uh, we need the rate equation. Okay, in order to find the relationship of the reactants as well as the rate. Okay, so here at first they have asked us to find the initial rate. They have asked us to find the initial rate. So let us first just write down the rate equation. Okay, so rate is equals to, so constant, since the order of hydrogen is 1, so this should be H2. Okay, and the order of nitrogen 2 oxide, okay, is second, so this should be squared. Okay, this is the rate equation. So they have said that both hydrogen and nitrogen are both tripled. Okay, so just substituting the factors over here. So in here it is tripled. Let us keep the constant K over here, and here it is also tripled, nitrogen monoxide. Okay, so if we work it out, we will get that uh, into 3 to the power cube. So this is how we gonna do the rough work. So we can see that the rate is increased to the power the rate is increased by the factor 27. So this is the factor, that the rate is increased. Just ignore, in this case just ignore the K. Okay, so here the factor is 27. So fellas, I hope that you have understood how have we found this factor. Just substitute the factors to this corresponding reactants. Okay, just substitute the values. Here the hydrogen is tripled, the hydrogen is increased by the factor, the concentration of hydrogen is increased by 3 times, so we have substituted this value 3, and here the concentration of nitrogen are also increased by 3 times, so we have just substituted the values, and we have just done some simple algebra, simple mathematics, and we have found 3 to the power 3, which is 27. So the answer should be D. Okay, so fellas, I hope that you have understood the solution. So this is how we gonna solve it. So it was really simple. Okay, so let us once again read this question. By what factor will the initial rate increase if the concentration of hydrogen and nitrogen dioxide are both triple? So yeah, they have asked us about to find the factor for initial rate, the factor by the factor sorry the initial rate will increase by which factor. So we have here we have found that the initial rate will increase by 27 factor, so D should be the answer. Okay, here D is the answer, 27. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the solution. I hope that we have ultimately solved this solution, solved this problem. We have ultimately solved this problem. So I hope that you have clear your confusion. I am able to clear your confusion, and you fellas stay cool. Okay, so stay chilled. Though my English is really bad, but still hoping that I'm able to clear your confusion. Okay, I'm able to solve your problem. Haha. And I'm always here to solve your problems. Okay, so don't forget to uh, ask question in the comment section, and I'm always there to solve your problems, sort out your problems, sort of any sort of confusion that you have. So let me know in the comment section. Okay, so just ask question, that's it, and I'm here to solve your problems. So fellas, that's it for today. So I'm really appreciating that you fellas are watching my lesson. So I'm hoping that my lessons are helpful to you, and my lessons are helping you in studying. Okay, so fellas, that's it for today. Signing out. Best of luck, and always peace with chemistry.